Hello all. In this video, we will know why do pirates wear eye patches? What is the taste of poison? We will know what is the strongest biological material on earth and many other facts. If you think 2020 is the worst year in the history, you are absolutely wrong. It's not 1349 when the Black Death wiped out half of the Europe, not 1918 when the flu killed 50 million to 100 million people, mostly young adults. It's not 2020, we all know what happened. But 536 AD. In Europe, it was the beginning of one of the worst periods to be alive. A mysterious fog plunged Europe. Volcanic eruption in Iceland threw up so much ash that made the world envelop in a sun-blocking fog. That threw Middle East and parts of Asia into darkness day and night for 18 months. The sun gave forth its light without brightness, like the moon, during the whole year. Temperature in the summer of 536 fell 1.5 degrees Celsius to 2.5 degrees Celsius, initiating the coldest decades in the past 2300 years. Snow fell that summer in China. Crops failed. People starved. The Irish Chronicles record a failure of bread from the year 536 to 539. Then in 541, bubonic plague struck the Roman port of Pelusium in Egypt. What came to be called the Plague of Justinian spread rapidly, wiped out one-third to one-half of the population of Eastern Roman Empire and hastening its collapse. Yes, 2020 was a bad year, but 536 is even worse. What do you think this courageous bird is doing in the crocodile's mouth? Why isn't the crocodile doing anything to her? This tiny bird is called the Egyptian plover bird. She gets into the crocodile's mouth and picks out the tiny bits of food stuck in his teeth. What does she do with them? She eats them, and often this completes her diet. This cleans the crocodile's teeth and keeps his mouth fresh and free from infections. So the plover bird gets her food and the crocodile gets his mouth cleaned. In this way, both are able to help each other. If humans kill each other at the same rate we kill animals, we would be extinct in 17 days. More than 200 million animals are killed for food around the world every day just on land. Including wild-caught and farmed fishes, we get a total close to 3 billion animals killed daily. That comes out to 72 billion land animals and over 1.2 trillion aquatic animals killed for food around the world every year. Drinking water stored in copper vessel is the healthy way. When we store the water overnight in a copper vessel, few copper ions gets dissolved into the water molecules and kills the harmful microbes. This is called oligodynamic effect. Snails' teeth are the strongest biological material on earth. They use their teeth to scrape food off rocks. The tiny teeth can withstand pressure high enough to form diamonds. It is as strong as a steel and as tough as a bulletproof vest, and is capable of withstanding the same amount of pressure it takes to turn carbon into a diamond. Scientists believe that the function of zebra stripes is to deter insects. So a team of researchers painted black and white stripes on several cows and discovered that it reduced the number of biting flies landing on the cows by more than 50%. The Milky Way is approximately 890 billion to 1.54 trillion times the mass of the Sun. If the Sun was scaled down to the size of white blood cell, the Milky Way would be the size of continental United States. Popcorn is by far the healthiest snack. It builds bones, muscle tissues, aids digestion, and is good for teeth. Popcorn is high in several important nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and polyphenol antioxidants. Some assume pirates wore eye patches to cover a missing eye or an eye that was wounded in battle. But in fact, an eye patch was more likely to be used to condition the eye so the pirate could fight in the dark. It takes an average human eye about 25 minutes to fully adapt from bright sunlight to seeing in complete darkness. If a pirate was fighting on deck in the sunlight, then had to continue the fight under the deck where it is usually pretty dark, it could take too long for their eyes to adjust and for the pirate to be able to see. The eye patch could be used to prepare one eye to see in the dark. So when they go below deck, they could swap the eye patch from one eye to the other and see with the eye that has already adjusted to the low light conditions. This would allow them to instantly see in the dark. Most of the poison are bitter in taste. But do you know how potassium cyanide tastes? It's very poisonous hard powder. Even a small pinch can kill a human within a fraction of a second. According to Hindustan Times report, MP Prasad, a goldsmith from Kochi, killed himself after consuming cyanide. The man committed suicide, but he lived long enough to describe the taste of poisonous mixtape. The man wrote in the suicide note, "Doctors, potassium cyanide. I have tasted it. It burns the tongue and tastes acrid." Acrid means sharp and harsh or unpleasantly pungent in taste. He was writing his suicide note when he accidentally put the poisonous tip of the pen into his mouth before completing the note. When he realized his foolish mistake, he quickly wrote down the taste of it. The suicide note is the only document in the world describing the taste of poisonous cyanide.